Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Officials declare 99 Wisconsin city schools safe after major lead cleanup. Nearly 100 public schools in Milwaukee, Wisconsin have been made safe after months of urgent repairs to fix lead paint hazards found earlier in 2025. The work was completed about 2 weeks ahead of a December 31 deadline, even after the city temporarily lost federal support during the cleanup. The district spent about 10 months repairing and repainting older school buildings, covering 7 million square feet including 2,700 classrooms. The effort began after a student was diagnosed with elevated lead levels, with follow-up inspections finding lead hazards in 99 schools built before 1978 when lead paint was still legal. At 6 schools with the highest contamination, students were temporarily relocated or parts of buildings were closed, while students at the remaining 90-plus schools stayed in place during repairs. The cleanup continued even after federal support was briefly cut off in April, but was then reinstated in June. The city estimates it spent at least $43 million on lead removal and safety upgrades, and has added new staff and safeguards to prevent future problems. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak